okay? Okay, we've all heard them. Toothpaste on a pimple, cucumbers on your eyes to bring down the puffiness, ice cold water to help dry wet nails faster. The list goes on. So let's talk with skincare expert Lynda Moore. You're here to tell us about the do's and don'ts, what really works and what doesn't.
Yes.
Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you. Well, there's so much on Pinterest that it could just drive you crazy, you know, all the beauty hacks and so forth. So first is Preparation H does not work.
But I've heard this before.
Yes, yes. Models say that they use this under the eyes.
For bags or for dark circles?
It does have 1% hydrocortisone, and it also helps with the blood flow. So that's what's needed when you have hemorrhoids. But it has not been tested under the eye area.
Sure.
If you get it in the eye, then it will burn and cause damage.
Then you need to see your doctor.
And it's very thick. Feel this. This is a Preparation H ointment.
I'm glad it's on your hand.
Yeah.
And not...
Underneath the eyes will cause little white bumps called milia. So you don't want to use this.
And so explain milia. I know you said little white bumps, but how? Now I'm afraid to touch my face with this.
Well, congestion on the skin. Yes.
So clogged pores, basically.
But what does work is putting a cold spoon underneath the eye area.
Okay.
So a cold spoon just right underneath the eye to help with circulation and bring down that puffiness. And also sleeping on just elevated, 2 pillows at night to just bring down the fluid that is just stagnant underneath the eye area.
Okay, so that can help with the puffiness too. Okay, so anything cold really, I mean, does that just allow the blood vessels to, I don't know.
It helps calm the skin, honestly, and it also helps with circulation and inflammation.
Let's talk about acne. I've heard toothpaste on pimples works. I've tried it myself. Not so sure if it does anything.
Yeah, so toothpaste does not work. It does dry the skin. It could irritate the skin, but the acne that's present on our skin is different than the acne that's present in our mouths.
Okay.
So it does not work. What I do like, though, is, again, ice. Icing a pimple is very important.
I didn't know
also,
that.
Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is all the rage right now, internally and also externally. But you mix this 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and 2 teaspoons of water, and that makes a great toner.
Okay, one quick thing, and we're wrapping up here, but whitening the teeth. Everyone wants perfectly white teeth. You're recommending baking soda and strawberries.
Yes, this is great for the teeth because malic acid is present in strawberries, and then also you mix it with the baking soda. It's a nice little mask for the teeth area.
That is so cool. I'm going to try that.
Do not use what Pinterest is recommending, banana peels and orange peels. It doesn't work.
All right. Thank you so much,
You're
Lynda.
welcome.
We really appreciate it. Sean, we'll send it on over to you.